Today on Damn Car Problems, I'm going to be showing you what the difference is between the windshield washer fluid. Had a couple of customers a couple of days ago ask me what the difference was. Had to explain to them. So this is what it is. Alright folks, so right here we have your basic blue windshield wash fluid. We got the Rain-X green one with the bug remover, and we have the Rain-X all-season one. Now let me tell you the difference between these. This one right here is your basic one. The plus 32 stands for use above 32 degrees. If you use it in any cold climate areas below 32 degrees, it will freeze on you. That's what the 32 means on these bottles. The green one, on the other hand, has a bug remover. Helps you remove bugs when they splatter on your windshield. Also applies a water beading technology, which when it rains, your rain pellets you see falling on the window, you're gonna fall right off of there. Then you have your Rain-X all season, which is for your up to 0 degree temperature before it freezes. So if it drops anything under 0 degrees, this will freeze. But other than that, that's going to be perfect for anybody who lives in a cold climate. Also guys, I forgot to mention to you that this one right here, the all season, also has the bug remover and the rain repellent. Now, for all you folks that don't have any good working windshield wiper motors, they don't work at all, you want to use this Rain-X right here. This bottle is a 2-in-1 glass cleaner plus rain repellent. Alright, this cleans your glass as well. At the same time, it adds a water beading technology onto your windshield. So if you have bad windshield wiper motors and you're scared to drive in the rain, this will make it a lot better for you guys until you get that windshield wiper motor issue fixed. Alright guys, for the folks that don't have any good working windshield wiper motors, you can use this Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner plus repellent. Cleans your glass at the same time as the repellent on there, so you can drive around without even having any windshield wipers to clean off the raindrops. It slides right off, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Damn Car Problems. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what the difference is between... Welcome guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome today on Damn Car Problem.